Oh, is that shark tooth? Cool. And then Alexis, what did you find? Hold on, I'm coming. Ooh, nice.
I got either amethyst, I can't really tell, or fluorite.
Cool, let me see. That one's a pretty one.
And then look, there's this bright blue one. Probably emerald.
What you got?
She got some good. Look at this one.
Which
Isn't that
one?
weird?
Oh yeah. Did you look at the card to see what it is? She's like, I want to collect all mine. It's like I need to put them up for safekeeping. Can you help me pan through mine, Alea? I still have my bag.
She still has more here.
Oh, you do? Oh my goodness. Gosh, you got a lot. Okay, so I'm recording from my iPhone, guys, because I forgot my camera, my vlogging camera, but this place is really cool. It's called Golf and Gator. See if you guys can see that. But it's in, we're in Cocoa Beach, and this is awesome. Look at all these little jewels that I found. Show them what you found. Wow, so nice. Right? No. Okay, this is a black throat monitor. Oh my goodness, he's huge. He looks like a giant salamander. Look, Alyssa, come on. Listen. So they are rigging the hot dogs on the end of their little fishing poles. And here's the alligators.
Alligator fishing.
Oh my goodness.
He ate it.
Did you feed it yet, Alyssa?
Yeah, I did.
Look, so they're right here waiting. They're super hungry. Oh my goodness.
And they're all seeing it.
Oh my goodness. Did he eat it?
He's eating it.
He's eating it right now. The hook thing.
They fight over it.
Hold on, baby. Hold on. Look, he had his mouth open.
Look, that one has his mouth open. He's waiting. I'm gonna feed that one. Oh, I feel bad.
Look, they're all. Oh, this is crazy.
It's weird how they know not to.
So like the special came with a hot dog and chips, and we're feeding the alligators hot dogs. So everybody's like, was this what the hot dogs were for, just to feed the alligators? Because I guess everybody's kind of hungry, so we're feeding our lunch to them. But no, we do get a separate hot dog and chips. Squeeze it, Leia. He's not gonna do anything. Yeah, his mouth is.
I'm lucky since Saturday, but you don't care at all. Miss booze, miss cigarettes, trying to take me home. Falling in love just a million times, breaking it off, put the feeling on ice. She's as cold as December. I swear I see